Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the product. Shake the Solspre F mist for 10 to 15 seconds so active ingredients mix. Once done, hold the nozzle 4 to 6 inches from the skin and do a quick test spray on your hand to confirm mist pattern. Make sure you're using it on clean, dry skin and avoid the eye area. If you wear makeup, spray before foundation for best adhesion. This first step sets coverage and prevents drips. Next, treat larger areas with smooth, overlapping passes. Spray in a continuous motion and overlap each pass by about 20 to 30% so you don't miss spots. For arms and legs, aim for 2 to 3 pumps per limb area and gently rub the mist in to ensure even distribution. For the face, spray onto your palms first, then pat the product onto skin to avoid inhalation. Make sure to cover often missed spots like ears, neck, and the tops of feet. Finally, let the mist dry for 2 to 3 minutes before dressing or entering water so film sets properly. You must reapply every 2 hours and immediately after towel drying, heavy sweating, or prolonged sun exposure to maintain protection. If you notice patchy coverage, don't panic. Lightly rub the area or respray small sections and blend with your hand. If irritation occurs, stop use and rinse. If persistent, seek medical advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.